Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. We are going to be unboxing our Ipsy for the month of August, and you guys, I'm super early. I'm so proud of this, by the way. I'm so freaking excited that I'm able to get these Ipsy bags in just in time for it not to be at the end of the month, but right in the middle when I'm hoping everybody else has either gotten their bags or they are getting them. Today's video is just that. If you guys are new to my channel, I hope you guys will take the time to subscribe down below. Otherwise, we're just going to get right into it, and you guys know in every unboxing that I do, anytime I do a video, all the information you need to know as far as like how this works and, you know, the boxes and stuff like that, they're always in the description box, so just check it out down there. I will also have timestamps in the description box if you want to just look in there also, but let's... So this bag here is the Plus, and this is the one that I get on my own. Man, the last couple months, if you guys haven't checked out my other subscriptions from the last couple months, you should check them out because the little glam bag, like the $12 bag, has been such a hit, you guys. So let's start off with the glam bag. This month's theme says Wanderlust. I feel like we've had a theme like this before. So the first thing I see here is by Elemis, and this is the Elemis Skin Buff. It is a deep exfoliating cleanser. So it is formulated for all skin types. It has bilberry, hops, and chamomile. It's supposed to exfoliate, refine, and purify. Next up we have is by Illamasqua, and this is the Beyond a Liquid Highlighter. I have so many highlighters. I honestly just don't use them all the time. I have the shade Epic. Yeah, there's no way I'm going to be able to use this. I could probably mix it into my foundation, which I normally don't do because if you pour too much of this stuff, it will make it super, super glowy. But that would be the only way that I could use this. I have this by Florence by Mills. It is in the shade Clear. This is the Tint and Tame Brow Gel. Look at how tiny that spoolie is, you guys. It's so small. That's not bad. I feel like I like that. I feel like you get right into all those hairs. We'll give this a shot. This is much better than the last couple products that I've gotten by her brand. I'm not really like sold on it, but hopefully that one will buy me. Next up I have is by Skin and Lab. This is the E Plus Moisturizing. I think it's just a moisturizer. Just a moisturizer. And then last up I have is by Rowan. Kiss My. Okay. And this is a liquid lip balm in the shade Scout. Oh my gosh, look at how gorgeous that shade is, you guys. That is beautiful. Definitely up my alley. I am so ready for fall. I am so ready for it. Although I will say that I feel like our summer wasn't that bad here in the Midwest, like the upper Midwest, but I don't know. I should knock on wood because that can change any day now. All right, so there you have it. So that is everything that I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, 3 makeup products, and 2 skincare products. Okay, so we're gonna open the little glam bag. This is the one that retails for $12. This is cute, so much cuter than those bags. Look at how pretty that is. This is actually something that I would take with me, like out and about. So the first thing I see here is a tube, and this is by Verso. This is the Daily Facial Cleanser. Oh. A gentle facial cleanser. I kind of like the packaging that it's in. I'm not typically used to seeing stuff in this. Oh, what's this? This looks like, I just had this idea that this was from the Balm Cosmetics. This is their Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow Fard by the Balm. And this is in the shade Bellini. Oh, that's cute. And that's what it looks like. Tiny little tube, but I feel like this will last you a really long time. I also have this purple tube. This is by 111 Skin. This is the Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Face Cream. I see something from the Milk Makeup. This is the Work Lips and Cheek product. I love when Milk Makeup sends stuff. Like just the tininess of this is, anything mini is cute in general. Like all these little mini products are so freaking fun to play with. Oh, this is pretty. And it's not like glittery, it's matte. Oh, I like that. There it is right there. Do you see it? Very soft and light, but something that I could actually apply on the skin and then apply another blush on top of it, and it's not super intense. The last couple of like cream products I've gotten that are blushes have been a little too shiny for me, but that is a matte finish, which I really like. What shade is that again? Work. All right. Oh, you can also use it on your lips. All right. And then we have one more product in here, this little guy right here, which is by Glow Recipe. Ooh, this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. Wait, Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. What? Look how thick that is. Ooh, I am for this. Like that much of a scent, which I'm good with, but it is nice and thick. I love more balmy textures for eye creams. Always been a fan of it. I'm a huge fan of eye creams. Like I'm all about the eye cream life. 2 makeup this time and 3 skincare products. The bag. The bag is super cute. To finish off, we're gonna go in with the last Glam Bag Plus, and let's see what's inside. First thing I see here looks like a blush Posh Powder palette. Oh, this looks like a blush. It is blush. This is blush and highlighter. I'm not even gonna try to say it because I swear every time we get something from this brand, I can't say it. Every time. Because you guys know how I wanna say it and I know that's not right. I actually have one product from this brand that is a blush that I really like. Really beautiful, rich berry tone blush. Very pigmented, super long lasting, really, really good. So if that formula is like this formula, these are gonna be great. Top 3 are your blushes. The bottom 3 are your highlighters. I have a feeling that once you put the highlighters on, you're not going to be able to really tell a difference because just by swatching them, there isn't that big of a difference. Like the icy one has more of a pink and gold reflect, which yeah, obviously you'll be able to tell the difference on that one. But these two, when they're swatched, there's not that much of a difference. You can kind of just throw your brush into it and apply both highlighters. But I even think mixing these two would be really pretty together. I have a eyeliner by Lauren Conrad. I do love her clothes. I think I said that last time we had this. And there you have it. Another product by Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Nourishing and Smoothing. And I have the shade Watermelon Pink. Oh, this gives me like my teenage vibes. Oh my gosh. It literally smells like watermelon. Look at how pretty that is. It's like bubblegum pink. I don't know why, but I'm getting bubblegum vibes from Lip Smackers. Do you guys remember that? Bubblegum Lip Smacker. Was it bubblegum? It was the pink one. I think that's bubblegum, isn't it? It might be a little TMI, but I used to like put it on my lips and then I would lick it right off because it tasted so good. But that, I don't know why, but I'm getting like instant Lip Smacker vibes. Not that this is obviously much classier, but the teenager inside me. So we have something here by Tarte. I could tell just by the, whatchamacallit, the packaging. This is the Lights, Camera, Action Tarte mascara. Good mascara. It's been around for a really, really long time. I have quite a few of these. I get these a lot in their like holiday sets and stuff. But I know for a fact I'll use it. And then the last thing I have here is by Murad. And this is the Murad Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. Intensely hydrating serum relieves dry, sensitive skin. This is step number 2. I'm definitely excited to use this. I probably will start using this in the winter time because right around winter, especially like December, November, December, my skin will just you know, tighten up. And I don't need a lot right now, but in the winter, I will go through this kind of stuff like crazy. At least last year. Last year was really bad, and then you add the mask on top of it. It was horrendous. But that one was a good bag. Way better than the first bag, right? I actually got 4 makeup products and 1 skincare product. That's incredible. Really good bag. Definitely a lot of products, again, that I will use. I don't know what it is, but I think Ipsy is hearing us, but I've had really great bags the last couple of months. I've been really excited to open my Ipsy bags. I hope you guys are excited to open yours as well, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the afternoon. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys all in my next video, which will be a Sephora haul, so get ready for it. I will see you then. Bye.